much what my room is looking like. Just pretty much looks the same. Just have a bunch of crap everywhere, to be honest. So I am not amused by this room. This is where everything is. All the stuff. Grant you, all of these things are not going back in my room, but like, this is what I'm working with right now. What is up, you guys? It is me, MJ, and I'm back with another great video. Okay, so I already took my 7/16 out because I want to compare them. This is what they both look like. I hope you can see the difference. Can you? Can you tell the difference? Let's see. Yeah, you can. Now, I've decided that I'm gonna be, any stretching up that I'm gonna be doing them with glass plugs because it's just so much easier and so much better for your ears. Steel tunnels, I realize that as I get bigger in size, they're quite sharp and they cause me to get like, I just got a text. Anyways, they cause me to get like, make my ears more sore than they need to be. So I find that glass is way much easier. I also have this in 13 millimeters as well, which is gonna be my final ½ inch stretch. So let's do this. I'm excited. I really hope it's not a fail. I've never had a failed stretch before. This is 12.2. My ears are at 11, so that is like a 1.2 millimeter jump. I was really looking out for a 1 millimeter jump, but we just gonna see. We just gonna see. Here they are. That's the difference between the size. You can obviously see that. All right, and then this is what my earlobe is looking like. My actual stretch lobe. That is what it's looking like. That's one. The other is over here. And so they're quite healthy for the most part. I don't really have issues with them. I'm just gonna put some olive oil on them right now. And I'm gonna massage because you know the routine, you already know what it is. All right, so I just clipped one side of my ears away so you guys can see what I'm doing. Oh my God, I'm so scared because this is like, I don't know, I'm kind of anxious about it. I'm just putting some more olive oil on there because yeah. And then I'm gonna put some olive oil on this plug right now. Oh my God, I just hope it goes through. All right, let's get the angle. Let's line her up. All right, so I'm gonna start pushing now. Hope you guys were able to see that. It did go in. It doesn't feel, I mean, like a minuscule, very minuscule pinch. On my last dress, I didn't have any pinch at all. It just went right in, a very minuscule pinch. I'm gonna say that's because it's 12.2 and not 12. Yeah, so not bad, not bad, not bad at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side right now. Oh my God. Okay, let's unclip this side right now and clip the other side actually. Ooh. Okay, let's just clip. All right, that side's clipped away. Let's get her in. Let's get it in. I don't know which way to go. Like, okay, that angle, I hope that angle is good. Oh God. This one's a little more difficult. Let's see. I'm gonna start pushing right now. Oh God. I don't think this one is gonna go in. Let me just massage my ears some more. We're gonna try this. I mean, it feels like it's going in, but it just feels so weird to me. All right, let's try this. I hope you guys can see, because... Okay, it went in, but it's much more tighter than the other one. It doesn't hurt, but it's in. It doesn't hurt at all, which is great. It just feels tight, like super tight, but no pain. Is that weird? Anyways, it is in. That's the most important part. I am gonna go ahead and put the O-ring on right now because yeah, we don't want her falling out. So all right, so both ears are in. I am up to 12 millimeters. I'm up to 1/2 inch. I am there. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please go ahead and check out these 2 videos that are coming up on the side. Give me a subscribe and a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, babes.